Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Ring camera not detecting motion. Is your Ring camera ignoring motion completely? The good news is that this is usually caused by setting a rather than a hardware problem. First, open the Ring app and make sure the camera is online, since an offline camera can't detect motion. If it's offline, reconnect it to Wi-Fi and wait for it to come back online. Next, tap the three dots on your camera, go to device settings, and verify that motion detection is turned on. Then head into motion settings and check your motion zones to make sure the area you want to monitor, such as your driveway or front door, is included. You can also increase the motion sensitivity if events are being missed. Finally, check that motion schedules are disabling alerts during certain times and try restarting the camera from the device health section. In most cases, adjusting the motion settings or restoring the camera's connection is enough to get motion detection working again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.